Hello everyone. Welcome to HealthInfoNet Academy Clips.
Today's clip is focused on the document tree in the clinical portal. These documents are sorted by category, and there's a couple interesting things to know just immediately by looking at the documents is that some are highlighted in bold and some are not. Sort of like when you look at your Outlook email. A new email comes in, it's bold. When you look at it, it is no longer bold. For instance, here's laboratory, and it's 2/17. What that means is there's 17 data points under the laboratory folder, and there's 2 that you haven't seen. Those 2 must have come in while you were doing other work. So when I open up this particular one that has 4 data points, but there's one that I have not seen, when I open it and I click on it, as you know, the report now is actually seen in this part of the clinical portal. Above the document tree, we have 3 icons. So these icons are going to help you sort this data for you to see things quickly. The first thing that you're going to be able to do is use this eye icon. You've got several options to choose from. By clicking on showing you what is sent to the clinical portal in the last 72 hours, you know a patient was seen just 24 hours ago in a particular hospital. You want to just look at the data that's come in. It just clears everything else away, so it is not complicated, it's not hard to find, it'll be right there. Or 14 days, or you can actually do a specific range. For my data, I'm going to show all. I happen to want to see everything on this particular patient. The next aspect that you can review is grouping by. Now, I told you that category is how this is defaulted, so this is in categories, but you have a couple choices. You can do date or service, which means place of service. Once you do that and you apply that, this data is going to change to show you all of the different places this patient has been seen. And underneath a particular folder will be everything that was done at that particular hospital. So it really helps you to sort of evaluate, where's the patient been? Or I know they went to Central Maine, I need to look at everything that was done there. So that's service. If we go back to the eye, and then we do provider, and then we apply, that'll bring up all of the different providers that touched the patient. So that is a great tool for searching specifically. The next feature is this magnifying glass. This particular patient, I need to know if they had a colonoscopy. Colonoscopies can sometimes come in different folders, and so you're always kind of opening it. Is it in a consult? Is it in a op? Is it in an office? It's sometimes hard to tell where to look for something. Let's just start by searching for a colonoscopy. What you're going to do is start just spelling colonoscopy, and there we are. And so it'll just pull up all the colonoscopies. So we're going to refresh our screen, and that's what this is for. That is your refresh screen. So this is how you would use and be able to easily navigate the clinical document tree.